Miami is an iconic city that is located in the southeastern region of the state of Florida, and the greatest threat to this specific location is the continuous rise in sea levels, primarily due to a rapid increase in the average global temperature, which has resulted in the melting of polar ice caps. The average global temperature has increased by more than 2 degrees Fahrenheit since 1880, which has had a drastic impact on sea levels throughout the years, and it's reflecting in different areas all around the world, such as Miami, Florida. The sea levels in Miami have risen by more than 8 inches since 1950, meaning that individuals have already witnessed firsthand the negative impacts of climate change and will most likely continue to watch sea levels rise at an alarming rate in the near future. The city of Miami is one of the most vulnerable coastal cities in the United States, especially when the threat is rising sea levels, because the city's foundation is unlike any other area across the country due to it being built on porous limestone. This limestone acts like a big sponge, meaning that traditional solutions used to combat rising sea levels, such as building seawalls, in this case, that won't work because the salt water will just seep under the seawalls and through the limestone. The groundwater will then rise at the same alarming rate as the ocean, which creates a lot of other underlying problems not only for the city, but for the thousands of individuals who live in the Miami area. Due to the pressure from the rising sea levels and the porous limestone in which the city is built upon, flooding will become more frequent even if there is no rain because water will be pushed back up through the drainage pipes and into the streets. The sewage system will also experience something similar to this. The salt water will ruin water wells by mixing with the fresh drinking water and contaminating it. In addition, thousands of miles of road will be submerged underwater. It's been said that within the past decade, sea levels have begun to rise at an accelerated rate, which is why, according to recent studies, scientists have predicted that the rising speed of sea levels will continue by approximately 1 inch every 3 years, which would be catastrophic. In addition, studies have also revealed that it took 31 years for the sea levels to rise more than 6 inches, but scientists have also forecasted that in just 15 years, sea levels will rise by another 6 inches, meaning sea levels will have risen by 1 foot from 1985 to 2032, only 47 years. According to a 2020 article written by Daniel Cusick, a journalist for Scientific American, as a result of rising storm surges, flooding, and rising sea levels, an additional 300,000 homes, 2,500 miles of roadways, 30 schools, and 4 hospitals will all be in danger in the Miami area. Not only will communities suffer, but Miami's tourist industry will also be in danger if Miami Beach and other popular attractions close due to the coastline being submerged underwater, which would put thousands of people out of jobs and ultimately cripple Miami's billion-dollar economy. Currently, the state of Florida is investing more than $400 million in Miami to build seawalls, buy pumps, and raise roads as well as other infrastructure. This will most likely not work as well as they want, and there is not enough money to stop this catastrophe from happening. The best thing would be for change to take place on a local, state, and national level to help prevent this in Miami and other areas across the country by enacting various laws and regulations, as well as funding more of these projects and relief packages. Something that we could do is strive to be more sustainable and try to decrease our use of fossil fuels, because the only way we can beat this is if we work together with a collective goal.